Welcome y'all to Robin on the Farm. Today I'm sharing with y'all my Instant Pot creamy mac and cheese recipe. Mac and cheese is one of those classic comfort foods that everybody loves, from little tiny kids to big old adults. We love this recipe and I love to make mac and cheese in the Instant Pot. Very, very little hands-on time and it is ready from start to finish in about 15 minutes. It's creamy, it's delicious. So let me just show you how to make this. We're gonna start with 8 ounces of macaroni noodles. You can easily double this recipe if you're gonna be serving it for a potluck or a large crowd. But for my family of 6, this is plenty with a little bit of leftovers for the next day. So I'm gonna use 8 ounces of macaroni noodles, which is a half a pound of pasta. I store this in my food storage, that's why I have it all sealed up in this. But put in 8 ounces of macaroni noodles right into your Instant Pot bowl. Next, we're gonna throw in 2 cups of water. Just put that right on top of your noodles. 2 cups. Next, we want 2 tablespoons of butter. You don't have to melt it or anything, just throw it in there with your noodles. And next is totally optional. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of this prepared mustard in there. It just gives it a little bit of tang and you really can't taste it, but it gives it just a little bit of pizzazz that I like. So I'm just gonna put just a little bit, 1 teaspoon of this mustard. Like I said, you really can't taste it, but it gives it a little bit of zing and it's good. Next, we want 1 teaspoon of salt. You can use regular old white table salt. I'm gonna use this North American sea salt just because it's fun. But you're gonna want 1 teaspoon of salt. Just put it right on in there over your noodles and your water and your butter. Now I'm just gonna add this into my Instant Pot. Grab the lid. Go ahead and put the lid on, set it to sealing. And then up here, I'm gonna go to pressure cook. Mine's already set to 4 because I make this mac and cheese all the time. So you're gonna go to pressure cook, set it to 4 minutes. Now this Instant Pot is gonna take a few minutes to come to pressure and then it's gonna cook the noodles for 4 minutes and then we're gonna quick release it and I'll show you what the next steps are. The Instant Pot just beeped. That means it came to pressure and it cooked for 4 minutes and now it's done. So now it's time to do a quick release of the pressure. Okay, I'm gonna give these noodles just a quick little stir to get them unstuck from the bottom of this Instant Pot bowl. Okay, these cooked great. This will also get that mustard all mixed around. Okay, next step is to get some evaporated milk. This is what makes it so creamy. Evaporated milk is the milk that has had 60% of the water evaporated out of it. So this will just give you really good creamy mac and cheese if you use evaporated milk. This was half of a can of evaporated milk, so about 6 ounces. If you don't have evaporated milk, you can also just use whole milk if you have it, or better yet, use some cream, but this will give you really good creamy mac and cheese. That is like the secret ingredient right there. Okay, next I'm gonna take about 1.5 cups of shredded cheese. I just shredded this cheese. You know, if you shred your own from a block, it's gonna be even creamier and better because the stuff that's in a bag that's already been shredded has some chemicals on it and it won't let it melt quite as good, but it's okay if that's all you got. I am using 1.5 cups of this mild cheddar cheese. And I'm just gonna mix it in. If you want yours a little less cheesy, use about 1 cup. If you want yours even more cheesy, then you can use 2 cups. That is the great thing about home cooking. You can make it exactly how you like it and how you wanna have it. So I like about 1.5 cups. That is about the perfect cheesiness to me. I'm gonna just mix this up until it gets all melted. Now that all that good cheddar cheese is melted, I'm gonna go ahead and season it with a little bit more salt. You're gonna have to just salt and pepper to your taste. I like to put a little bit of pepper in there. You don't really need the pepper, but I like it. This is some fantastic mac and cheese. This Instant Pot creamy mac and cheese is absolutely delicious. It is creamy, cheesy, I mean everything you want your mac and cheese to be. And 100 times better than that stuff in the blue box. You cannot beat homemade mac and cheese. And this is really the easiest way that I've found to make it. I've made it all kinds of ways, baked in the oven, on the stovetop, but this Instant Pot way is by far the easiest and I really think the best. So give this recipe a try. Let me know if you like this mac and cheese. It is so good. Thank you so much for being here with me on Robin on the Farm. I will put the recipe for this Instant Pot mac and cheese down in the description. There's gonna be a link, you can click on it and you can print it, share it. I would really appreciate it if you shared this recipe. And I'll see you next time on Robin on the Farm. So good.
Robin's in the kitchen, dough beneath her hands, wheat from the fields and eggs from her land. Sunlight through the window, a warm golden glow. She's working hard to make that dough.